Welcome to Technical Gurpreet channel. So today we're gonna learn about in this video. It's an amazing feature of Kali Linux undercover mode. So one of the best feature that have been added to the covering book is the undercover mode that hides all of the XM and activity that will not show off that user or the hacker is using the. That's because many people are now aware about the Color Linux that this is the hacking platform and the operating system that can have all of these tool and technique that can be combined in all of the way to hack all the systems and the web services and the websites. So what happened in the undercover Mayorchi is the look and feel of the calendar next to the Windows system. So let me first open it using the menu here. So I'm going to use the undercover, simply type under the undercover mode. Now every look and feel will be changed to the Windows operating system, and this is the best feature. I like it about the graphical user interface that anyone can use to fool any person that you are using the Windows operating system. This is mostly helpful for the hackers, and the attacker is using is an organization and hiding their activity that they are using and thinking and believing other people that still you are using the Windows operating system and you are not using the hacking platform like the Linux. So in this case, we can see these icons are similar to when it's look like a window command prompt. And this is also the similar to the command problem that we have in the Windows operating system. This is all folder are looking like Windows, and here we can see the maximizing it. Will similar look will have the Windows operating system, even the system drive and all the stuff. We can see the start menus also looking like the window, and the notification are also similar to the exactly window operating system. This is what I'll call the undercover mode, and this is the best valuable thing that can hide their activities inside an organization or anywhere you are working on. So this is basically for the hacker, or you can see the mostly malicious hacker will use to they hide their activities from the on screen and beeping other people that you are still using the Windows operating system. So this is all for the calendar cover mode. So getting back to the calendar cover, more simply search for again the undercover mode and just click OK, and it will be visually back to the operating system. And it has been changed, but it's still you can see that has not changed. But what I will do is to simply close this and reopen this, then it will be back to the Kali Linux terminal. Otherwise it was actually the command prompt line. So that's all for the undercover mode. This is useful. You can use that is in case you are going to hide your activities that you are what you are using, and someone can tell and differentiate between the windows and the current log that you are using in the undercover mode. So you in the next distance. Thank you. I hope you will like this video and please subscribe this channel. Thank you.